Oh,
careful.
you dropped
You
it.
want to get a basket outside there.
I've got my finger on that little hoop
Well,
duck.
yeah, but you've
Hoop
got your
duck.
out of white tartars.
Yes, man. Yeah.
Yes, man.
Yeah, got a fucking hand like a dinosaur.
Oh, it's going over there.
Over where? It's all over. All over. It's all over. It's,
I wish I was in a tent.
well, fucking, I wouldn't. You know, you get blown to fucking smithereens.
Oh, you're not in a field if it's them colours. No. You got to live.
They always say don't ever pitch your tent next to a tree because if there's
tree falls over, that's all.
No, because there's lightning next to trees, doesn't it?
Yeah.
They're conductors. Conductors.
It hits the highest thing.
I'm not talking about a bloke on a bus neither.
I thought you meant a musician actually.
Oh yeah. Do you remember Andre Previn?
Oh.
Andre Previn.
No.
He was a famous conductor. He was a bit
a bus conductor.
Bit hip.
That was
No, bus conductor. I'm talking.
Oh, did you see that curly one?
No, I didn't.
It was curly.
I had my head in my hands.
Piss.
Crying.
Yeah, of course you do.
This rain ain't very wet, is it? Oh, that was good.
It was me thinking it was.
I've never seen one like this in my life.
It's
should have had this video to go to sleep to.
Yeah, hasn't got much noise though.
If I turn the telly off, you better hear it. No, just push the button.
It's starting to rain.
There it is. Here comes the rain, man.
What one?
Just the red one. Red one, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, yes.
Don't shout. Scare people on the video. I don't know if it's in slow motion or what now. I'll just got to be recording.
Oh, my Lord.
We can watch it back on the telly.
Same thing.
That's nice, that sound, isn't it?
Love it if it comes down louder.
Actually, it's like when it's camping and it rains.
And wetter.
Still see Doodah Lighthouse over there, though. Flamber Lighthouse.
That there, we've got
It's good. Southcliffe. Probably,
Listen.
It's a car.
Was it with a copter?
Oh no, it's a bloke down there having a piss. Wow.
You can see better on my phone.
Where's the dog?
Keep phoning a bit. Didn't I?
That's alright. No, it ain't scary thunder, because you know when you get that loud thunder? Fucking hell, can't
Yeah,
it?
it's louder when it's closer to you. When it's closer to
No,
you, you get more.
what I reckon is if you see a thunder flash, you count, don't you? And then if you get up to 5, it's 5 miles away. But when it flashes and bangs at the same time, it's over your head.
That's mint that, I love that.
What?
Flashed and banged on my head.
This is a family video. Don't be disgusted. I don't care. Do you know what? I'm bored.